Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul, and we're here at Joe Nall 2025. Final day of the Nall, folks. I've got a tear in my eye, but a smile on my face. What can you say? And folks, I have got a very special treat for you. This is the CARF Models B2 Stealth Bomber. It is the only kit on the market today that you can actually get a giant scale, turbine powered, actual turbine powered B2 Stealth Bomber. Tremendous amount of engineering went into this. If you look very carefully, I'm going to zoom in. Those are drag rudders. You see right there. So what happens when you need the plane to yaw left, the spacing between the top and bottom split rudders increases. When you need it to yaw right, that spacing actually decreases. And of course they have it there on both sides. You can see it there as a side view. But folks, we're in for a real special treat. Sit back, relax, put the smile on your face, and enjoy the flight.
You find a wallet, just bring it over to one of the ticket two volunteers,
Folks, I'm not going to lie to you, I'm as giddy as a schoolgirl right now. I've been wanting to shoot this thing ever since I first saw it, and this is a real treat.
Yes, Mario Next up, Danny's walking to me now, but this coolness will not wait. We got a B2 Stealth Bomber, right?
Yeah, this is, Chris has created a fleet now of all these stealth aircraft. He's got the A-12 or the SR-71 and this B2 bomber. Just an impressive airplane from Composite Arb. We're going to give him...
Look at that profile, folks. How thin it is. Unbelievable. Just amazing.
There we go. It was so stealth that you couldn't even see it fly. Woo! Give a round of applause, everybody. The Power Box. What an amazing flight.
Oh, something's going on. Oh, darn.
I mean, it was so stealthy.
Stay with it, folks. Don't go anywhere. Something's going to happen sooner or later, and if not, well, then we'll come back to it.
For the United States of America to be a strategic long-range bomber. And, I mean, it was just an incredible flight, truly. I mean, I didn't really see it, but it was just an incredible stuff. But, yeah, Power Box. That was great, Danny. I was actually looking forward to speaking to Danny.
The gentleman right there, Andreas Getz, he is the designer of that plane. You can get that plane. All right, folks. Well, we'll come back to it at a later date. Maybe they'll have some time, get a chance to fly it later today. All right, friends. More to come. Folks, I thought I'd take a quick walk around of the B2, just an up close and personal. Take a look at those drag rudders there. You can see how they are situated in terms of linkage on the inside. Very cool. And this center section you see right there, that actually acts as an elevator. Fantastic. Gentleman's working on it, so I don't want to disturb him at this time. I wanted you to at least see it. Just wonderful. Just amazing. Really nice. Really nice. Let me see if I can get the landing gear from behind without disturbing that gentleman.
Attention on the flight line, please keep them up. The EOD team is going to retrieve the ordnance on the runway.
All right, friends, more to come.
Runway is foul.